Imagination is more important than knowledge. Imagination is what stays when teachers are gone from their students' lives. It is what students have taken from a creative classroom and changed it into their real life. Imagination is the synthesis of the knowledge because imagination drives human force. With this beautiful saying, I wish a very good morning to all my dear students, and I hope you all are in good health. I, Shreya Jadhav, welcome you all to my e learning channel. And today we are going to do English writing section, and the topic for today is notice writing. Now, dear students, this topic is really very important and essential with reference to your ninth and 10th standard because this question is compulsory for you to attend. So, this will help you out to score really well. So, today we are going to do notice writing. I'll be showing you the format, how the analysis of marks is being done, and moreover to that, how notices are to be written. All these things will be combined together in this video. So, which things you are supposed to keep in mind while you write the notice? So, the first thing is notice should be kept in box. That notice writing is always supposed to be in one box. You are supposed to draw a box with pencil and scale because presentation is really very important and essential when you write down your papers. Even your handwriting, your presentation creates a really good impact on the paper checker. It is an announcement for the things to happen. Notices are written in consideration the things or the events which are going to take place. Adhere to be specified word limit of 50 words. So, your notice writing should not proceed or should not be more than 50 words. You are not supposed to write long stories and descriptions over here. It is a short information, a short notice which will be highlighted on the school notice board or any organization's notice board. So over here there is word limitation of 50 words. Write the word notice at the top. So in further video we will go through the format of it, but whenever you write notice you are supposed to give a heading of notice in block letters or words. Name of school or place of school, organization or office. Issuing the notice should be mentioned that whatever the school's name would be or organization or office, whosoever is writing or forwarding the notice, it is to be mentioned over there. Give an appropriate heading. This is also very important. Write date of issuing the notice. Purpose of notice. What is the reason that you are writing down? So we can say that in the question it will be given to you that what is the reason that you are writing down notice. Mention all relevant details, means whatsoever is necessary for the basic information, all the details you are supposed to mention while you are writing down notice, and the things includes date, venue and time, means these are the common factors which you should include. Then you have signature, name and designation of the person issuing the notice, means the person whoever is writing down or whosoever is in authority is supposed to sign or write his name, and then below the name the designation should be mentioned, that whether the person is a supervisor, or whether the person is principal, or the person is head boy, head girl, or a clerk, whatever the designation is given to you in your questions. So now let us move ahead. And now we are going to learn the marking scheme. Now, totally it is something like this, that notice carries 4 marks. Now, how these 4 marks are divided? When you write down notice with reference to your examination purpose, whether it is your ninth standard or your board exams, how can you score full marks over here? Yes, so there is a trick, there is a method, or we can say, no, there are common points which you can consider over here to score full marks. And the points are as below. 1 mark is for your format. So the format which I'll be giving you will be really very helpful to you for scoring good marks. And this has been accepted by many publishers also. I have referred to plenty of references, and one of the issues which is done by the board itself, which things are necessary and how the marks are being divided. So 1 mark is for your formatting. And the next topic is the content, means how well have you written, have you understood the question well or not, that carries your 2 marks. And then you have expression. Now expressions doesn't mean your facial expressions while writing it down. Yes, over here the expression means your grammar, how well you have used. Now over here we do not need to use no huge or big words to describe. It is for the all the common students and people or members who are reading. So it should be really very clear, short and sweet. The word limit is 50 words. So we are supposed to take that into consideration, and then we are supposed to write it down. So your expression means no need to put a and the extra, okay? No need to add more things. But whatever is required with proper grammatical use, you are supposed to write it down. So over here we have the marking system or marking scheme for how the notice writing is being presented. 1 mark is for your format, 2 marks are your for your content which you present, and the expression means the grammatical way you are writing the notice. Now over here we have format of how to write the notice. So you can see over here in front of the screen that at the top you have name of school or institute or office or organization. Yes, it will be given to you in the question that what you are supposed to mention over here. So usually as a student you all will get notices related or regarding to schools. So you'll be writing here name of school. Then you are supposed to leave a line, and then you'll be writing notice. Now this notice should be big enough. You can underline it or you can write in block or capital letters. It should be highlighted. Yes, and then you will be leaving one line, and then you will be writing the subject. Subject means what is the purpose, the reason you are writing this down. Now subject should not be the whole line, it should be 3 to 4 words only. Now remember, name of school, notice and subject you are supposed to write in the middle of the page, in the center of the page you are supposed to write. Then you are supposed to write the date. Now date will be on your left hand side, or we can say it has been said like this, that you will be following a block method of writing. Now whatever is written on left side is considered as block writing method. So we will be writing date according to that format. If you forget where to write date, Always remember, on the margin side you are supposed to write down your date. So that will be 16th June, comma 2020. Now you will be confused which date we are supposed to mention, whether we are supposed to write it in past or whether we are supposed to write it in the future. So the day you are writing the notice, you will be writing that particular date only. For example, this video is been filmed on 16th June 2020. So you all will be writing the date, today's date you will be writing. Yes, that is 16th June, comma 2020. And dear students, understand and see the format of how the dates are written. Yes, it is not 16 slash 6 slash 2020. That is the wrong format of writing down dates. So observe the date pattern. Then you are supposed to write the main content, or we can say the main body, and that should not exceed 50 words. Then you can write down your name and designation. Now date, name and designation, all the things will be on your margin side or left hand side, or by following block method. Now as you will see over here, it has been boxed up. Yes, so whenever you write down your notice, box is compulsory. So now we will go through the examples or sample notice writing. The first question is, write a notice for the school board telling the students about the new groups formed by the school for the high school students, and inform them that they need to give their names for group of their interest to their class teacher. Yes, so in the notice board, you are supposed to draft a notice, and it is for the new students who have enrolled or the new batch coming to high school, that different groups are being formed and they are supposed to participate in one of the groups, in whichever group they are interested, and they are supposed to register their names to their respective class teachers. So over here, what first of all we are supposed to do, we are supposed to write down in middle the school's name. So it is MS High School. Then you will be putting a comma, and then you will be writing Vadodara. Then you will be leaving a line, then you will be writing down notice, and notice would be in capital letter and you will underline it. Then you will be writing the subject. Now in subject you are supposed to mention selection of group for the year. So you'll be mentioning that thing. Then below that you'll be writing down date. So what is today's date? That is 16th June, comma 2020. And then you'll be writing down the main body content, and that is, for this academic year there will be 4 groups as under: maths, intelligent attentions, then we have second group of science, ele- elemental elites, then we have third, that is music and arts, different strokes, and then we have fourth group, that is English grammar gurus. The students need to decide which group they would like to be included in according to their interest. They should give the names of their interest to their respective class teachers before July 1st. Yes, so this is the main, all the important things are mentioned, that which groups, how many groups are there? 4 groups. Which groups are there? The names are being mentioned, and the students according to their choice and interest are supposed to select their groups, and they are supposed to register their names to their respective class teacher, and the date is also given to you, and that is July 1st. So you will be leaving one line, and then you will be writing down the name, that is AP Menon, and then you will be writing the designation, and that is supervisor. and then you will box the whole notice. So over here your first notice is completed. The second one is, as a librarian of MS High School, write a notice for the library notice board informing students about the revised library rules. So over here, uh, this notice has been written by the library teacher, and the teacher is revising, means she is telling again, she is revising the rules of the library which all the students are supposed to follow. So what is the first thing that you will be putting down is the name of the school. So this is Royal High School, comma, then the name of the city, that is Rajpipla. Then you will be leaving a line, then you will be writing notice, and that would be in capital, and you will be underlining it. Then you will be writing revised library rules. You will be leaving one line, then you will be mentioning the date, that is 16th June, comma 2020. Below that, you will be writing, all the students are requested to please make note of the revised library rules. And then you will be specifying which rules are supposed to be taken into consideration. So the first one is, there will be a library period twice a week. The fine for overdue books is 2 rupees per week. Special identity cards will be issued. During summer vacation, students of standard 10th and 12th will be permitted to use the school library between 8 to 10 a.m. on weekdays. Yes, so these are the rules which the librarian has written down. And at the end, you will be leaving one line, then you will be writing the name, that is Rasida Zafar. And then you will be writing the designation, that is librarian. So the next notice, third notice, is write a notice on behalf of the principal about the need for at least 80% attendance. So over here you will be writing down the name of the school, that is Baptist High School, Morbi. Then you will be leaving the line, then you will be writing down the notice, then you will be leaving the line, then you will be writing down the subject, that is requirement of minimum attendance. Then you will be writing down the date, that is 16th June, comma 2020. Then you will be writing down, the school authorities have taken strict view regarding the growing absenteeism in students of class 10th. Principal reiterates the need for at least 80% attendance for the academic year. The students lacking the minimum requirements will be disallowed to fill their board forms. So this is a notice that a strict action is taken by the principal, that if there should be at least 80% of the total attendance, then only the student will be allowed to fill their board forms. You'll be leaving a line, and then you'll be writing Sister Rita, and then the designation, that is supervisor. The fourth one, you are in charge of the lost and found department of your school. Write a notice stating that a science project book without a name has been found. The student who has lost the book should come and claim it from the office. So over here, a person or a student has lost his science book, okay, and it has been found from the in charge or the head, and the person is writing down the notice. So first over here we are supposed to write the name of the school, which is CH High School, Surat. Then you are supposed to leave a line, then you will be writing down notice. This notice should be in capital handwriting, and you are supposed to underline it. Then you are supposed to leave a line, then you are supposed to write science project book found. The subject should not exceed more than 5 words. Then you'll be mentioning the date, that is 16th June, 2020. The present date you are supposed to mention. And then you will be writing, all the students of the high school are hereby informed that science project book was found in the school premises. The student who has lost the book should approach the lost and found department and claim it. All the students are requested to write their names so that such incident does not occur. And over here, you'll be writing down at the end the name, that is Gaurav Pant, and then you'll be writing in charge of lost and found department. So over here, it is clearly mentioned that a science project book is being found from the school premises, and whosoever might have lost it should approach to the lost and found department, and it is been requested to all the students that they should write their names on their books so that these sort of incident may not occur on the future basis. The next one is, you are Rajni or Rajan, head girl or boy of Alpha School. Your school is going to organize an inter school singing competition. Write a notice for your school notice board inviting names of all the interested students. So, over here, first you will be writing down the name of the school in the center, and that is Alpha School, Bhavnagar. Then you'll be leaving a line, and then you'll be mentioning notice in capital handwriting, and you'll be underlining it. Then we are supposed to write down the subject, that is inter school singing competition. Then you'll be mentioning the date, and that is 16th June, 2020. Then you will write down, this is to inform all the students our school is going to organize an inter-school singing competition on 1st July 2020, that is on Wednesday, in school auditorium. The program will start at 10 a.m. in the morning and will last till 5 p.m. Interested students may contact the undersigned authority for further information. So, it is clearly mentioned over here that on 1st of July there is going to be inter-school singing competition. So, the date is mentioned over here, the day is mentioned over here, that is Wednesday. And where is it going to take place, that is also mentioned, and that is a school auditorium. And the program will start from 10 a.m. till evening 5 p.m. The students who are interested, means who wants to participate in this singing competition, are supposed to get further information from the undersigned authority, means the person who is writing down the notice. So over here you have Rajni or Rajan, that is the head girl or the head boy. You are supposed to write only one name out of two. And remember, whenever names are being mentioned, you are supposed to write down the name which is given in the question. You cannot write your own name over there. So you can write down Rajni, head girl, or Rajan, head boy. The last notice. You are Ajay Ami, head boy, head girl of Excellence School. Your school is going to publish its annual magazine next month. Write a notice for your school notice board inviting names of all the interested students. So, getting back, which things you are supposed to keep in mind? That is, you are supposed to write the name of the school and that should be Excellence School Rajkot. You are supposed to write it in center. Then you will be leaving line, you will be writing down notice. Then you are supposed to leave a line, and then you will be writing down call for submission. Then you will be leaving the line, and on the left hand side, margin side, or we can say following the block method, you will be writing down the date, that is 16th June, 2020. And then you will be writing down the main body content, and it is something like this: notice is hereby given that our school is going to publish its annual magazine on 1st July 2020. The event will take place in school auditorium. All the students or all the interested students can email at excellenceschool.345@gmail.com. You can take any topic of your choice. For further inquiry, contact the undersigned authority by 25th June 2020. So over here it is written. Now this is a really good format of writing down notice. This creates a really impactful, and that is to start your notice this way, that notice is hereby given, that means the notice is trying to tell us or give us information. And the information is about what? The information is about the annual magazine that the school wants to publish. And when is it going to get published? On 1st July, means the date is also mentioned over here. And where the event is going to take place? In the school auditorium. And why and what the students are supposed to do? Means the students who are interested can email their topics or writing of poetry or any article, drawing, anything they wish to, and they can email their entries on the school email id which is given, and that is excellenceschool.345@gmail.com. Now it is clearly mentioned over here that they can choose any topic they want. It is up to their choice. And if the students still find any doubt or queries, yes, if they still want to get few more information related to it, if they want it to be more specified, that then they can contact to the undersigned authority, means the person who has written down this notice. And the last date to contact is 25th June 2020. And then you will be writing down the name, that is Ajay or Ami, head boy or head girl. Means if you are a boy, you can write down Ajay and head boy, and if you are a girl, you can write down Ami and head girl. So this is the format of notice writing. This notice writing is really very important and essential. It is a compulsory question for all the students. So for the students of standard 9th and 10th, it is really important. So I hope you all have understood the concept and format of writing down notice, and I hope you understood from these simple notice writing that how you are supposed to score full marks, that is 4 out of 4 while writing down the notice. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Dear students, if you have still doubt and difficulty, you can comment down in the comment section. Thank you for watching and have a great day. Goodbye everyone.